Well, hello there. So this is going to be a quick little video showing off how to download Autodesk Revit. So first things first, in the description there's a link to get here. This is the Autodesk Education website. And once you get here, you'll be greeted with this option to sign in down here. And if for whatever reason the link isn't working, scroll down. You'll probably see that the icons are grayed out. If that's the case, the website's still loading. For whatever reason, it can take an extended period of time. So if you can't get it to work, maybe just refresh or whatever. Then we're going to click sign in. And after doing that, if you don't have an account already, you're going to want to create it and use your school credentials in order to get, free access. You have to cite the education platform you're on. For me, I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. And, give it a second. It'll update and say, hi, Corey, All right, so now that you're here, you can go through and download anything you want. In this case, I'm showing off Revit, so I will scroll down. And we have two options here. Honestly, not sure which I want. Let's see what all options we have. There's probably multiple Revits besides those. It appears these are the only two, so... Okay, so this is actually, this is terrible wording. This is an add-in, Revit Generative Design. So as you can see, it says you need this one. So we're just going to go with generically Revit, hit get product. And, depending on what class you're in, what school you're at, they may have you choose a specific version. For my classes, I want you to do Revit 2022 on Windows. And then you can go ahead and hit install and accept. Now, say for whatever reason, you went to make your account and you didn't get this far. It prompted you and said it needs you to verify your identity or, that you're in school. It does that periodically, even for people that have access already. So if it prompts you with that, it's going to say, include a school logo and, proof that you're in a class or whatever. Make sure that you're taking as many pictures or screenshots of what it takes to get all that information. And once you do that, you can attach it. And within about 24 hours, they'll usually verify and approve it. So, after that, then you'll get access. Now, so say, you've done all of that, you can go ahead and hit the EXE button that downloaded. All right, and it's going to open up here in a second. Here we are. Now at this point, I believe student emails, the way that they set them up, you actually get a serial key. And if that's the case, it'll probably display it and then email you a copy. So, keep that in mind. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and hit install. I don't have serial keys. It just does it based on sign in. So, you would just basically click install, wait for it to do its thing. And, I'll report back after it's done to show you the rest. All right, and we're back. So at this point, it's finished installing. So I'm just going to hit start. And it's actually opening on the other screen, but there's a little rectangular icon showing off, Revit's loading. And the big thing here is the reason we're going to follow through with opening it is if you have not activated it yet, it's going to prompt you right here. I'm still waiting, but essentially, I mentioned a serial key, and if your product is activated with a serial key rather than signing in, it'll prompt you right here. And that's when you're gonna want to go back and pull up that serial key and plug it in. Once you've done that, you've activated it, you're good to go. But say for whatever reason, you couldn't find the key in your email, assuming you have a key. You can actually find that activation key here underneath your icon for yourself. Click on Products and Services. Okay, so here is going to be a list of everything that you have in your, I guess you would call a library, essentially. So you would scroll down to Revit. And you would click on it, and then right here for you, it would show a activation code. But for me, like I said, it shows, all I have to do is sign in with my account because I'm an instructor. and it fills it out. But yeah, so if you're having problems locating it, go here. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. If anybody has any struggles with it, just let me know.